What's up, guys? I hope you're doing well. I got a great fat loss hack for you, and this is one I haven't discussed before. So I'm going to give you a secret that you can bring with you all day, every day. It costs you absolutely nothing. You don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to do anything, but this one tip will help you dramatically lose body fat. Now, I'm going to keep this video quick for you because I know we want things faster. I just ask, bang, you give this video a thumbs up and maybe engage in the comments below. I appreciate that. Here's the one tip. The one tip I say is you want to walk with your hunger a little bit. Now, what does this mean? How do you know how much food? I'm not a calorie counter, by the way. I don't believe in weighing your foods and worrying about your macros. And that's just disordered eating. That's crazy, and it's not sustainable for most people. This is the hack, though. Walk with your hunger. What does that mean? I want to start feeling hungry about 15 to 30 minutes before my next meal. I need that little bit of hunger. If I don't have that hunger, I've likely eaten too much, or I'm eating too soon and I haven't had a chance to really clear the food that I've previously eaten. Therefore, I have a negative digestive loop. Now, this is all covered by biochemistry and physiology, but I want to make it simple for you. You don't have to worry about all the pain in the ass parts of dieting that everyone hates. Simply walk with your hunger. Now, let's say you're eating 4 meals a day, something simple, breakfast, lunch, dinner, pre-workout, post-workout, something like that. That's pretty average for most people. And if you think about your day right now, you probably eat about 4 times per day. You graze, you bite a little bit of this. The sugar and milk you put in your coffee, the frappuccino that you drink, well, that's calorie consumption. So when I say eating 4 times per day, you're consuming calories at least 4 times per day. Some of you considerably more. This is a bad thing. You want to be very aware of your calorie consumption so you control that. Once you can control it, you can then curate the outcome. This is what we do here so well, is we really curate the outcomes without making it hard. So walk with your hunger once again. You want to be hungry a little bit. 15 to 30 minutes before your next meal. I want to feel that hunger. I want to feel it in my belly. I want to feel that hunger. If I don't feel that hunger, I think to myself, what did I eat previously? Oh man, I had a slightly larger portion of the breakfast bowl, let's say. Therefore, I need to push my next meal an extra 30 minutes away. This is why we say we eat every 2 to 4 hours. Eating every 2 to 4 hours allows for optimal nutrient intake and digestive clearing, allowing for the next meal to come in. This is pretty easy and basic. Now, this is predicated upon eating healthful, high net nutrient foods devoid of synthetic toxic chemicals, which means zero processing, right? No processed food, no processed sugars and all the other crap. We don't even talk about that here on this channel. But we walk with our hunger. So now let's close this up for you. 3 minutes in, let's close this up. Pick your meal plan. Maybe you're following our 3 Weeks to Shredded program, which is perfect, right? Let's use that as the model right now. You're following our 3 Weeks to Shredded program. Those meals are so well designed for the users of our online platform that you start to feel that little bit of hunger about 15 minutes beforehand. And then it's another mealtime. And then another mealtime. I think most of the users on 3 Weeks to Shredded, they get 5 to 6 meals per day. So you're eating all day long, but we're never overeating. And this is the money shot right here, all in your face. We're not overeating. This is the problem. Most people, they eat too many calories at one sitting, and then they go long periods of time trying to clear that digestive clearing. I said that earlier. The digestive system's trying to clear that food, which creates a very inefficient metabolism. Therefore, you store fat. So let's wrap this up. Walk with your hunger. 15 to 30 minutes before your next meal, you should be hungry. You should feel that hunger. It's important to feel that hunger. If I am in a fat loss phase or even a maintenance phase, I want to feel that hunger. Now, if we're cutting weight, if we're getting shredded, maybe we're going to push that up to 30 to 45 minutes. I don't like to go any more than 30 minutes or so. feeling hungry. Anything more than that, well, now we might be crossing the bridge and possibly breaking down some muscle tissue. That's a whole nother video I'll break on. So leave any comments below if you understand this. Did I explain it well? Like this costs nothing. I'm asking you to simply be aware of your hunger and walk with that hunger for a little bit. But also you might need to slowly adjust your meals down a little bit. You might be eating slightly too much food at every meal, and then you're just eating by the clock. That's not what we want. We want to eat the right meals at the right size, in the right proportion, to curate the results that we want. This is the great way to get you leaner. Guys, I want you below 12% body fat. Ladies, I want you below 25% body fat for optimal health. And then you want to get that summer shredded going on, we can tweak that for you a little bit. Also, if you are interested in our 3 weeks to shredded program, how to lose 21 pounds in 21 days, click the link below this video. That's there at thedolcediet.com. We also have the #1 whey protein isolate on the planet, the Dolce Whey. You can go to metcon.com/Dolce, use promo code Dolce to save 20% on the Dolce Whey, our organic, cross-flow, micro-filtered, grass-fed whey protein isolate, which is incredible. You don't need that. If you want a whey protein isolate, that's there, but I want you to eat healthful whole food first. I want you to follow the principles that we discuss here at the Dolce Diet. Check out thedolcediet.com if you haven't. We have over 1,200 free articles, recipes, workouts, lifestyle tips, all at thedolcediet.com. It's all free. It's all free. We have so much free content for you guys. I appreciate you for being here. Thank you once again, and I will be back soon. Boom.